So, so me and Jason here. Where does I have to flip that thing? Okay, me and Jason. Here's Jason and me, Tamer, and we're replacing the battery for 8550. This one here is the older version. There is one MyQ capable and enabled. This one is a capable, is not the enabled one. Meanwhile, we had to replace all the wheels and the bottom rubber. The bottom rubber is completely dry. And here on the wheels, we have, there it is. So those are two of the old wheels. One is loose a little bit, but not a whole lot bad. This door here, we installed it about nine years ago, our old stickers. And this one here, this is a really bad one. If you look at this, it's completely wobbly, and not only that, is disfigured completely. That's what caused on the track right there to make that line that will start eating the track. The problem when the roller goes bad, that will, after it eat a little bit, it will get stuck on the track and the whole door will be unbalanced. And that's when I will charge a little bit extra, but a cheaper way to do that is just to replace the wheels with a newer wheel before anything happened. It can save a few dollars. And call this number right there. Have a great day.